Hi, today I'm part of TECNO Spark Go and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application. Tap on the right upper corner and now you'll see all of the just Gmail accounts on your device. So to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Confirm your action by tap to remove account. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the application. Let's check and we could see that in app we also successfully log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.